Hello everybody and welcome to the Pico Solar app tutorial video. This application can be downloaded for free and helps you get a detailed view of your PV system in your smartphone or tablet at any time. In the next 3 minutes you will learn how to set up the app and all the available features you can use. To enable all the functions of this application, you should already be registered in our Pico Solar portal. Also, don't forget to connect your smartphone or tablet to the same local area network as your inverter. The application is available free of charge in the Play Store or in iTunes. Just download and install it. After the installation, start the application. Now let's do the settings. Tap on Options button and enter your Pico portal account email address and password. The app will retrieve all the related data from Pico Solar portal. When you tap Save, you will be asked if you want to take over your inverters and plants. Tap Yes. Select all the inverters you want to view and tap on the Save button. Now the inverters are taken over. With the Live Data function you can view the current values of your system. This function is only possible through a local network, because the data is accessed directly via the inverter. You can view all the available information about the PV generator, the mains, the battery, the self-consumption, the inverter and the power flow. In the status bar, you can see the current event messages from the selected inverter as well as the performance and yield data. By tapping on the History button, you can find the previously stored data from Pico Solar portal. The application updates these data regularly and they are always available, even outside your home network. With the Contact button, you can easily communicate with the KOSTAL service team in case you need their support. Describe your request as detailed as possible and send it. If you check on the Send Your Technical Information checkbox, data such as for example serial number, article number, and the software of your inverter will be sent along and your request can be processed more quickly. You can also add a widget for the Pico Solar app to your home screen that will provide automatic updates on your yield and consumption without needing to scroll through the app. Tap and hold on a blank area of the screen. Select the option to add widgets. Find the Pico Solar app widget in the list. Tap and hold it and then drag it to a spot on your screen. So, let's sum up the basic actions you need to do. 1. Activate the data transmission of your inverter to Pico Solar portal. 2. Register as a user to the Pico Solar portal. 3. Make sure your inverter as well as your tablet or smartphone are connected to the same network. Thanks for watching. If you like to have further tips and tricks about our inverters, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Of course you can find more information on our KOSTAL Solar Electric website as well, or just simply register for our seminars and webinars right away. We are happy about a smart connection with you. See you soon.